I told y'all I was switching my styles up every month. I was not playing. So this is me looking like, I don't know what that character is in the Rugrats, but I look like that. This is me when I knew it was about to be over. You guys, look at this couch. First thing first. So now that I look like a complete outline, now this is blushing for real. Hi y'all, welcome back to another outfit of the night. So tonight is our anniversary and we are going out to dinner. I actually love this place. I only really drink lychee martinis and espresso martinis here, but all the food is literally 10 out of 10. I loved it so much and we will be back. Good morning, y'all. Oh my god, good morning, y'all. So today we are getting our hair braided again. I'm getting Fulani braids in the front and then like Bohemian knotless braids in the back. I'm very excited because I haven't had this style before. And I told y'all I was switching my styles up every month. I was not playing. So we are here and it is Friday and it's the weekend of our anniversary. So this is going to be like an anniversary weekend vlog kind of thing. But it's starting off on a Friday and I'm very excited. So let's go. So it's a hat with no hair, so you know it's a hair day. First, I had to go and pick up some coffee because I needed it. It's too early in the morning. My appointment was for 8:30 or 8:45. So we're on our way there. And of course, we're going back to Emma's African hair braiding because this is my new favorite shop. So this is me looking like, I don't know what that character is in the Rugrats, but I look like that. This is me when I knew it was about to be over. It was about to be over for me when I saw this. I knew it. And then the mousse, you know, you have to have the mousse for the ending. And these are the results. Y'all, I'm done getting my hair done and this is what it looks like. So I just want to show you, this is like Fulani braids on the side, and then if you flip it, that's what the other side looks like. And I tell you, I love this. Fulani braids and Bohemian knotless in the back. Yeah, this is it. This is the one. This is the one. I just recorded a TikTok, but look at my hair. Ignore the grays I'm about to pluck out, but look at my hair. Nope. This the one. This the one that I think I love the most. Actually, I think I love this the most. I'm not even gonna lie. I feel like I might get this again, but I'm gonna get it in blonde over the summer when I go to Mexico. Only thing I'm gonna ask them is like to put more, like I want even more curls on the actual braid. I think they put like maybe 2 or 3, but I want like 6, 7. I want it to be like super full. Or maybe I'll do like the weave in the back and then the braids in the front, but I don't know about that one. But this right here, yeah, I love it. So I'm home. I'm starving right now. I don't know what the heck I'm gonna eat, but I guess I will figure it out and yeah, we'll go from there. So see you guys in a second. I'm about to go in the house. You guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today is Saturday and I just got my hair braided yesterday. I showed you a little bit of that and I love it. Our house looks a little crazy right now because we just got a new couch and I'll show that to you, and we're getting our new rug today. So let me just show you guys. It's so messy though. I feel like, hold on, let me fix it before I show you. You guys, look at this couch. It is, first of all, so comfortable. It's from Ashley's Furniture Store. And has to be the most comfortable couch ever. So nice. So big. So comfortable. Just wait till our rug comes and then I'll show you for real, because this is not even doing it justice. But yeah, we're on our way to the mall. I don't know if I'm taking y'all with me, but I probably can. Say hello to the pimples on my face that just won't go away. And I'll talk to you later. Bye. Hey y'all, so welcome back to the vlog. I have my hair up in this bun. It's not completely finished yet, but it's gonna do for now. I just put a lash on this edge because I feel like it fell off earlier, but I don't know. I can't tell which eye it fell off, but whatever. So I am having a breakout. We are actually about to celebrate our anniversary, so I'm just gonna get ready with you guys really quickly. We have reservations at 6:45 and the time check 5:20. So I figure I can get ready in like 30 minutes. Yeah, see? Okay, you can't really see my breakout, which is good because I don't know why my skin decided that it wanted to have 2 pimples right on my face right here. I have no idea, but can't really tell. I don't know what that was on my face. I just did my edges real quick. They did like swoop-de-whoop edges, so I tried my best to make my edges look the same as yesterday. I just got my hair done yesterday. Y'all will see a hair vlog in this same video, so it's going to be a hair vlog. I was going to do my nails over. I don't know if I'm going to. This nail right here, I dyed my hair black, just like the roots of my hair, because I was getting braids. But this nail got, you know, you see, I don't know how the heck it got stuff inside of it, but it did. So now we have this. I feel like I'm gonna just leave it alone because in a second I'm gonna take these nails off anyway. Okay, so first thing first, I have to find some lip stuff. Lip stuff first, and I have one new product that I'm going to use today. It's going to be the Huda Beauty, the pink powder. So I'm excited to try that. Oh, and I'm going to do an ombre blush. So I got this e.l.f. camo, and this is in the color Gorge Orange, and I'm going to use that with my pink. So I don't know if y'all remember, but over the summer when everybody was doing that, I'm just showing you what I'm using and then I'll pop it in the screen. Over the summer when everybody was using that blush thing, that new blush look, I actually used that as well. Oh, my face feels so good right now. Oh my goodness. I think that Laneige product really made my face feel good. But anyway, over the summer when everybody was doing like the under eye, the pink under eye, I'm going to do that today just because it looks so good. And wait till y'all see my outfit because my outfit is outfitting. It looks so good. So good. As long as I stay skinny, it looks good. So tonight we are going to this place called Concourse Club, which we've been there before, and I actually have it on my TikTok as well, so I filmed it before. So we are going there again, which is going to be fantastic because that place has such good food and good drinks. And last time we went there, we had a really, really good time. So yeah, I'm excited about that. These pimples are not noticeable. In my mind, these were huge. So I've been using the Merit Stick on my pimples. I don't know if it works or not. And then I've used the Panoxyl patches as well. It's just like these little blemishes. I don't know. Like this area for some reason is just like wants to break out. Like it doesn't want me to be great. I don't know why or what's happening. So I'm going to try to just color correct with this. I don't really use this that often, but today, for the sake of this is Merit and this is in the color Amber. And this is, I don't know what this is called actually. I don't know what this is called, but I do use it, especially for my pimples. It's supposed to dissolve your pimples or do something to the pimples. But girl, I just needed to help me today because absolutely not. I don't know what's going on with my skin. We're going to obviously go in with my Danessa Myrix. You guys know how I feel about this lately. It's been like my perfect base. So we're going to use that. And then I'm just doing this right now to try to cover up these pimples. I'm going to do my best to get rid of them. Let's pray. So anyway, I was saying that I was going to do the under eye. So it's going to be a freaking ombre under eye. So it's going to be orange with the pink. Yeah, it's going to be nice. I think it's going to be nice. What if it's not nice? I think it's going to be fine. Oh, you know what I didn't do? My brow thing that I've been doing lately. I've been doing my brows lately. Guys, my hair, I absolutely love my hair. So I got Fulani braids, and you'll see that like I said earlier in the video, but I got Fulani braids and I literally love them. Yeah, so my husband made me some steak before we left because I was starving, like so hungry that I had to eat something because I was feeling sick. And I was like, why am I hungry like that? No clue, y'all. These colors are looking like they don't match me. Sometimes I go through this phase where I'm like, this doesn't match. Then it looks like seamless. See what I'm saying? Like, it doesn't look like it matches. Then maybe once I put, because it's like a powdery thing. So once I put this on top of it, I feel like that's when it like hits just different. Just looks better. So I hope this takes away the color, which looks a little off-putting for some reason today. I don't know why. It's like a tint that I don't like. But every time I do this face, my face is flawless. Without fail, every single time I've done this, my face looks flawless. So I feel like obviously this works, but it just looks weird right now. Like whatever this base is that I do, I love this base. Like it's just, oh my god, this literally is my favorite method right now. This ombre blush, I feel like it's gonna be so pretty. All right, moving on to my brows real quick. For my ombre face or whatever, I take the blush that I'm gonna take is the camo blush. I have that red blush too, but I'm gonna use the camo and the pink. So I'm gonna use these two. This is Rare Beauty blush and this is in the color Lucky. And then this is the e.l.f. camo blush. And then I'm going to do my under eye like I would normally do it. So I'm going to go in with my concealers first, which are the Too Faced concealers in Chestnut and Warm Sand. I always take Chestnut on the inside here, and then I always put it like on the outside there. Now for today, I'm also going to put blush there as well. And I want to be bright. I want that bright under eye today. So I hope this works. I was supposed to put this instead of that on the corner. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh my god. It's so scary. This is at Target I got this, y'all. Don't look like it's really gonna do much, but I don't know what's gonna happen once I blend it in. We'll see. Alright, so now that that is all done, I'm gonna spray my face with this e.l.f. Power Grip Setting Spray. Let that set for a second. I like the way this looks lately when I'm putting like concealer on my chin, so I'm just doing that. Oh, and I forgot to put it on my nose too. I did not put any blush on my nose yet. That's okay. Then I'm going to go in with my contour stick as well. I did not. So now that I look like a complete outline, we're gonna blend this stuff in. I think I might have to get my beauty blender. Where is it though? Time check, it's 5:31. So in 11 minutes. And when I tell you like we're moving quick and we'll be done soon, we'll be done soon. Okay, so that is what that looks like blended in here. It doesn't look bad. Let me start on the outside again. Hopefully that looks good. The goal is to make it look good. Okay, so now that my face looks like this, I'm gonna go get my beauty blender and wet it, and I'll be back. I am going to just blend this. I can't really see too much my blush. Maybe I'll put some more there, and then go in with my, blend out my contour. I feel like it's not enough blush, so I'm going to go back in with both those blushes and do it again on top of my concealer and see if that works. Because what I wanted to do is be blushing. Is this blush? Just make sure. Yeah, it says liquid blush, but I feel like the liquid blush is not liquid blushing. I'm going to take this. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, wow. Now this is blushing for real. Put some on my nose. Okay, that's, I don't know if you guys can tell, it's like ombre-ish, but I'm trying to put this under my eye. And all right, now I'm going to take my pink powder from Huda. I got a little mini. This is so cute. Look how cute this is. Stop. How do you open this? Oh, you twist this. Stop. Look how cute this little puff is. I don't think I'm going to use that, but that's so cute. All right, I guess take that piece off. Inside of there is like the holes, and I guess they give you this powder puff, which I probably actually will not use, but I need to take this out somehow. I'm scared what this is going to look like, but it doesn't look too bad so far, so that's good. So I'm going to take some pink powder, dust it off, and then put that underneath. Actually, I want to put it on this part, like where the pink stuff is. Let's do that. That's where. Is that so much pink blush, y'all? Like, I feel like I look super pink, and I'm nervous. Like, not nervous, but like, if I'm too pink. Oof. All right, so now I'm gonna take yellow Huda Beauty powder. This one. I'm gonna use that. Go back under my eye. That. And then I'm gonna just go in and go over every place that needs to go over, everywhere around my face. I just feel like it's crazy how this like mattes everything out so quick. Like your face just looks immediately flawless. It's crazy. That's good for now. All right, so this is what my blush is looking like. I'm looking super blushy. I am going to do some brown on my eyes. Very plain. This is what I always do anytime I go out. I'm always doing this brown. So I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna do concealing under my eye. So I'm not gonna show you that. And then I'm pretty much done with my makeup going in. I really wanna look very well put together today. I mean, I usually would put together anyway. Is that blush? Like, it looks so bright in person, but on the camera, it's kind of dulling it out. But, like, might be a lot. Yo, I feel like I gotta take it down or not. Let me just go over here with, like, because I don't want to be too blushy. Like, this is, I tell you, a lot. I feel like it's a lot. Y'all can't really tell, but trust me. Now that that's done, and my eyes are pretty much done, and I always go in with the lighter color, so I use warm sand underneath my brows, because it just looks better. I'm gonna do my brows, and that'll take 2 seconds, and then I'm literally done, I think, with my face. I think that's all I had to do. Okay, I'll come back when my brows are done. Okay, so this is what my brows look like now that they're done. They're not 100% perfect. Actually, they're not too bad. It's just like sometimes the concealer like is light, so it like brightens underneath my eyes, which I like, but I want it to blend seamlessly. Sometimes it doesn't look like it's blending. I think I want a contour on my nose, which is where. So I literally just put a very little bit here and here to like blend on the sides of my nose, because I don't really need to do that, but I like it when I do the contour. So then I take this angled brush. I don't know if this is, oh, this is from Morphe, E62 brush from Morphe. And I take this, and it kind of already, you see how it like goes into the corners of my nose, and I just bring it straight down. And do the same thing with this side, and get straight down. And then that like contours my nose a little bit. And I'm gonna go back over this with a blush. My nose is itchy. Because orange is like the look. Because I'm wearing blue too, I feel like I want to have like orange little nose, little button. Okay. Now, since I'm done with my whole face, I'm gonna put on my lip in a second. First, I'm gonna spray my face, and then I'll put my lip on. Spray it with this first. That dries good, and make sure that my face doesn't look. It still should be matte, pretty much. I haven't used my new beauty blenders yet either. Well, my cheeks, they are really popping in real life. Yeah, my makeup looks good today. All right, that's perfect because it's our anniversary and I want it to look nice. Actually, our anniversary is on Tuesday, the 30th. Okay, So I'm going to go in with my normal thing that I use, which is my cocoa. And I think I was using London or Abu Dhabi. I can't remember which one I was using, but I'm going to go in with the cocoa first, for sure. And I'm not going to even take this stuff off my lips. Let that sit. Other lips. I think it's Abu Dhabi. Yeah. Just love. When I do this lip, it's my favorite one. Y'all, my face is itching so bad today. I don't know what is going on. Then I'm going to do this refi and just go over it. I don't know if this is supposed to make it stick or not, but I feel like I need another topper with this. I can go in with my e.l.f. I haven't used this in a while, and it's in the color... What color is this? Honey Love. Honey Talks. So it's like a brown nudie color. Hopefully it doesn't alter our lips too much. I really love Abu Dhabi, like literally the best. I'm gonna put this in my purse. I don't even know if I'm carrying this little purse over here, but I'm gonna put it in there. Just blue, green, black, and white matte. I'm done with my face. Now all I'm gonna do is spray my face. I hope my makeup looks good. I mean, on camera it does. I'm gonna spray the heck out of my face. Okay. You know what it is? I exfoliated too, so maybe that's why it's like more in my pores today. I hope I don't look greenish, grayish, or whatever. I don't know how to explain it. I'm going to take you up there with me to show you my outfit of the day, and this is what my face looks like. So I like it. I'm wearing my hair up in a bun, actually. I just have to fix this one because it's not like the neatest. It's not bad, but it's just not as neat as I want it to be. So I'm going to fix that, and I'm going to finish getting dressed upstairs. Time check, 5:53. You got to get ready to go. Bye. Hi y'all, welcome back to another outfit of the night. So tonight is our anniversary and we are going out to dinner. This is my outfit. The whole entire outfit is from Amazon. Shoes are Fashion Nova. They're like a zebra print. I wanted to break up the look so it's not just, it's very monochromatic. So I wanted to have something that breaks it up. But yeah, this is my outfit of the night and I will talk to y'all later. Bye. Spend our 8-year anniversary with us. We are at the Concourse Club. We've been here a couple times. I actually love this place. I only really drink lychee martinis and espresso martinis here. The food and drinks were really, really good. We actually moved locations, so that's why you're seeing the second view. This is actually the skyline outside of New York, and we started off with this jerk Caribbean shrimp. This was amazing. Then we moved on to these red snapper fish tacos. These were also great. And then I had these lobster roll bao buns. Oh my God. I forgot to show you guys the steak, but all the food is literally 10 out of 10. I loved it so much. And we will be back.